Okay guys, do you know where we are? Saan tayo?
Palawan.
Hindi, sa mangroves. Do you know what mangroves are? Okay, so yung mangroves, they're actually iba't ibang klaseng trees that grow in the coastal areas. At 3/4 of those areas serve as a home for like oysters, shrimps, birds, and everything. So, tulad sa mga mangroves, kayong 5 castaways may potential to grow, to become greater things. So, ngayon, we will plant some mangroves. At you can discover new things about yourself dahil tulad sa akin sa season 3, I discovered na kung kaya ko mabuhay sa isla with almost nothing, kaya kong gawin lahat. Yo! I'm the woman. So let's go?
It's a good idea. Of course, Earth needs more trees.
Wait lang.
Kailangan namin magtanim ng mga mangroves na sa isang area na kasi alam natin, siyempre, di ba, protected area dapat ang Palawan. At naisip ko, magandang advocacy to.
Ooh, there's shrimp. You guys want to eat?
Yeah. Yes. Shrimp.
You want it? Put it in your pocket.
The activity was to parang explain what your goals are after Survivor, what you want to get out of Survivor.
Ito, mali. You grow her. Take care of yourself.
Okay guys, hanggang dito lang ako. Good luck sa Tribal Council, sa challenges to come, and see you guys in Manila. Yeah. It's a party? Bye.
Thank you.
Bye guys.
Salamat.
Sabihin movie natin, ha? Nung pagkatapos, nagpaalam siya sa Lynn. Akala nga namin makakasama pa namin siya sa next challenge pero sabi niya hanggang doon na lang yung journey niya. Tapos, nung tinignan namin yung mga tinanim namin, alam mo yun, inisip ko sa yung puno na yun na maliliit pa lang na mga seedlings na yun. Parang kami, na nagtatanim kami ng mga pangarap namin. Pag lumaki yun, at kung mamunga man, yun na yung bunga ng pagsisikap namin dito sa Survivor.